two-phase locking. So now the question arises, what is two-phase locking, that how it can help in locking over there. So let's see what is a two-phase locking. So a transaction, every transaction follows 2PL, so two-phase locking protocol. If all locking operation precede first unlock operation in the transaction. Two-phase for transaction means there are two phases in locking. One is called growing phase, another is called shrinking phase. So what is a growing phase? Growing phase acquires all locks, okay, but cannot release any lock. So this is called, for example, if you continue locking, for example, if you have like a uh, if you have like three rooms, okay, in a house, and outside the house there is another door over there. So first you need to lock one room, and then your house, okay, and then your building. So you have how many? Three locks. So one lock here, one lock here, and one lock here, right? This is called, if you lock it, so you got one, so, and then you got another lock, so you're growing, see. And what is the shrinking? You unlock it, okay, and then you unlock it, okay, and then you enter into the room, okay. This is called shrinking. So shrinking means unlocking, the releasing the locks, and growing means like having more locks over there. So acquires all locks but cannot release any lock. This is called growing, okay. Shrinking releases locks but cannot acquire any new lock. So by the shrinking one, they cannot have another new lock over there, because why? Because it is in the phase of shrinking phase. So this protocol is important for the lock mechanism.